Hey, hello. In this video, we are going to see how to track purchase event in Google Analytics 4. So, let's get started. So, let's see how to track purchase event in GA4. So, first of all, go to the Tag Manager and go preview mode and then connect it on website. Then continue it here and just purchase a product. It's called view item. It's called add to cart. It's called view cart. We are tracking all the event that we have finished in our previous video. Then now we are going to click on process checkout, and this page also we are tracking, and then we are going to purchase this product. So place order. So we are successfully purchased it, and we want to track this purchase event for our retargeting campaign. So let's see it on the tag. So yes, this is the purchase event. We are purchased, that's why this event is showing here. So first of all, we have to make a Google recommendation event. So Google says if you want to track purchase event, you have to collect all data like transaction ID, affiliation, e-commerce value, tax, shipping, currency, coupon. It's all you have to make. It's a data layer variable. Now just follow and make the data layer variable. Go to the text section and go to the variable section and make some variable like new variable, and our variable name will this one. This one we are already made, so now we have to choose this one, and data all will be the data layer variable, and the transaction ID will be paste it here and save it. Then make again. So if your product have affiliation, you can make this. Just click on new data layer variable, choose the name and choose this one and paste it here and save. So the value paste it here, and also data layer variable, and this one will be paste it here and save. Then tax information, new, or rename it, and this is the data layer variable name tag, and do it again. Copy the shipping information, make new variable, rename it, and copy it and make data layer variable and put the name and save it, and again currency, new, I just configure it for myself. You want, you can search it on Google and configure it as you like. It's not a big deal. And last one is coupon. Rename it and copy data layer variable and paste it here. Save. And then we have to make the trigger. Let's go to trigger and make a new trigger. It will be the custom event, and this will be this event. It's a purchase event, and copy it here and GA4 purchase trigger and save it. Then go to the text section and go to the new, and it will be the event and base code. Put the event name, and the important part is parameter name. So you have to make couple of parameter here and then parameter name. First of all, I'm choosing item, and the value will be the e-commerce item. So this is e-commerce item. Okay, the second one is transaction ID. Just copy it and paste it and select the transaction ID. Just copy affiliation and paste it here and select affiliation. Then copy the value, paste it here and select the e-commerce value, and then select tax and tax, then shipping information, and then shipping. Then copy currency and select the currency. Then copy the coupon and select the coupon. That's it, and make the trigger we are already made. It's purchase event, and just rename it. Purchase tag, it will be GA4 purchasing. Okay, let's save it, and of course you have to submit it. Purchase. Now reopen the website and go and check the event is working or not. Okay, just visit this product, add to cart this product, view cart this product, check out this product and finally purchase this product. All the journey we are tracking in this course, you can see all the video, then you can track all the data from your website to GA4. Let's check the purchase event is fired or not. Go to summary. Yes, this purchase event is fired properly. That means it's working. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.